Muralidharakan and I come from Coimbatore. I am very happy to be one of the participants of this faculty development workshop organized by St. Joseph's College, Research Department of English.
I'm from Calicut and really I'm excited about this program, and what I feel from this session is that it is really a very informative and very useful program for teachers in an age of digitizing technology. And it is high time the teachers transform themselves into the fit practitioners in order to interact with the students of the internalized age. In this sense, this program is really meaningful and the inputs are really resourceful.
Really an amazing experience. A WhatsApp group was created for this purpose in which all the participants were added. So today we didn't find any strange faces here. We didn't feel a lack of energy anywhere, and we didn't feel a gap anywhere. It was like the whole team, we all enjoyed, the whole crew enjoyed today's show.
Hello all, I'm Kumaresh from Vivekananda College, Padre. It's a wonderful 2 days with so many participants actively participating in games, and I'm also thankful to everyone for making this wonderful, and I have thoroughly enjoyed learning with technology.
Assistant Professor and Head Department of English and our University in Pradheep. In this workshop, which is very much the need of the hour for all the teachers of English, I wholeheartedly thank Dr. Xavier Pradheep for having organized this event, a very successful one. It was definitely an eye-opener for all the teachers to bridge the gap of digital immigrants and digital natives.
I'm Dr. Xavier from Andhra Pradesh. After coming here, all my expectations were fulfilled. In fact, they are more than my expectations. Softwares like Edmado, Nearport, Flickrs, and also Google Forms and Google Docs. I learned so many new things. So this workshop has been a very blessing for me. It has really opened my horizons of teaching and gave me new boost to go to classroom again.
I'm Chandrasekhar from PSN Engineering College, Dinakal. In the workshop, really I learned many things. The most important one, Google Slide, Google Sheets, Google Form, which I can use in my classroom to conduct assessment, especially internal assessment. In my view, this workshop was so awesome.
My name is Hussain. I am coming from Kerala. These kinds of workshops are not available very often. and not many people also are attending because this may not be very directly connected with our topic. I'm a research scholar in ELT. I think in ELT technology is directly linked. And nowadays, I think this is the need of the hour. And after having completed 2 days of the workshop, I found it very useful, very productive, very essential. I think this is the need of the hour. It has to be started in a very big way. Mr. Xavier has done the right thing in the right moment.
Selvarani from Bangalore, New Horizon College. I must appreciate the team headed by Dr. Xavier Joseph, who was very, very methodical and very organized in the way he kept us informed at every stage. And the 2-day workshop has been completely a workshop with very little lecturing, thereby enabling us to do our work hands-on and actually learn everything. Wonderful workshop and looking forward to be here more often.
I'm Rajkumar. I'm so happy to be a part of this program. I thank everyone, those who contributed for this program. So as a teacher, hailing from a rural background, I feel it is very immensely important. I thank this institution and faculties of English department for conducting this 2-day workshop on English language teaching with technology.
Hi, I'm Annie Dorothy. I'm from Erode. What I expected, I received here, and so far it was so. That workshop is too good that we, from the morning till the evening, we were totally engaged. We were working with the systems which we have.
I'm Prashant Zadav. Basically talking about the conference or the workshop, I found it very useful for me to develop interactive sessions for my students, to develop new curriculum. I really appreciate the work which is done by Xavier and his team.